Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are into soap making business or you want your laundry bar soap to produce rich, long-lasting foam that customers will love, then today's video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make a quality foam booster for laundry bar soap that helps improve foaming, increases customer satisfaction, and gives your soap a more professional result. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll also share some important tips that many beginners don't know. And if this is your first time here, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my soap making videos. Now let's get into the process. So in this production, we are using just 3 ingredients. The first ingredient we are measuring is our nitro soap. Yes, I use nitro soap for this foam booster. You can use other chemicals to make your foam booster, but it's for you to use the most effective ones. Okay, so it's nitro soap. We use 50 grams of nitro soap. So the next chemical that we'll be measuring is our soda ash. We'll be using 18 grams of soda ash in this production. Then the last chemical we'll be using for this production is our SLS rice. Yes, you know, SLS rice on its own is a foam booster, but for you to make or to have that quality foam booster, you need to combine some chemicals together to have that quality foam booster. So our SLS rice is 80 grams as well. So we are going to be measuring 80 grams of SLS rice. Then you add everything in the bowl, you add everything together. Okay, it's not hard. Foam booster is one of the easiest production to make. You add your SLS rice, you measure it. Then you add it to the bowl. You add your nitro soap, add your soda ash, then add your SLS rice. Then you now add your water. This foam booster I'm making, you can use it up to like 1 to 5 liters of water. You can add up to 5 liters. This foam booster can give you up to 5 liters of foam booster. This measurement that I use, it can give you up to 5 liters of foam booster. Yes. So what you have to do is to stir everything together to combine. You stir everything. You know, SLS rice is a bit difficult to dissolve in water, so you take your time, you stir your ingredients together to have that smooth consistency. You see me adding more water, because the more you add the water, you see that the chemicals, everything is getting more thicker to give you that thick foam booster. Just watch to the end, you will see our end result. This our foam booster is so thick, and you just see the quality, and you will know that making your own soap booster is better. So the chemical shop, you know, chemical shop, they still want to do it to make profit. Yes, because it's for business. So you can take your time to make your own foam booster. It's better for you. You can use this foam booster for laundry bar soap. You can as well use it for your liquid soap. When you finish stirring to your satisfaction, you keep it aside. You just leave it for some hours for everything to combine, for you to have the thick. So you can see it now. You can see how thick our foam booster is. For some, I kept it for some hours. So you can just leave yours too for some hours. Then if you check if the foam booster is too thick, you can still add more water. Like I told us earlier, that you can use up to 5 liters for this foam booster for the production. One thing I love about this foam booster is that it blends easily into laundry bar soap and helps improve the washing experience. Another important tip is storage. Always store your foam booster in a clean container and keep it properly covered to maintain quality. If not, your foam booster will be looking watery after some days if you did not cover your foam booster and store it properly. Let me tell you this, quality is what separates serious soap makers from ordinary soap sellers. Anybody can make soap, but not everybody can produce quality products that customers trust. If you've been struggling with poor foaming in your laundry bar soap, this method can really help improve your result. Also, consistency is very important in this business. The more you practice, the better your products become. And for those asking if they can start this business from home, yes, you can. Soap making is a profitable skill, and with the right knowledge and quality production, you can turn it into a steady source of income. Stay glued to this channel. I have